Welcome back, all of my viewers and all of my subs. Hope you having a blessed day so far and thing. You see me? Yeah, man, I did trendy dancehall and naturally before we jump into everything, I gotta ask you to subscribe if you're new. Alright, so what you know, guys? You know, say everybody out there wait to watch and a look and want to see what go on, what's next for Rygin King, you see me? And say Rygin King hospital picture out and thing. Man, I really want to post it as yet, you see me? Because you don't know hospital report was that he might leave from a next hospital to a next hospital, you see me? So it must be serious and they must say him in a critical condition. So, you see me? I don't really want to share the picture, but here we're going to take a quick peek. Alright, man, peeps, the greatest thing on a copper or lead or none of them look poison thing there, you see me? Yeah, so we give him some time, people. Comment down below, tell me what you think, yo. You see me? He might make it, man. How that me feel.
Some girl just sit down for my name every day. Like floor cloth. That's what honor is. And say
you see that one here me I talk about people. That one you know, I feel like the girl them gonna love that one here where Intence drop. This is a new single from Intence called Wonder. You see me? And the whole concept of everything, if you take a look at time, meds it and see what you must say, may I tell you, it connect, man. Here I go. I could jump in at people, cause it load.
Then travel by your name from town to my bed. Them the germs that will fuck anybody. Getting him living on the mountain, you know.
Just to all this start, you know, people, this wicked, you know, cause that they are fucks. You see me? Some people live on your name like that them use to get pay and them look away they too. You see me? Run tune.
Living on the mountain, you know, cocky. Them backs from the day, do your body, you know, say.
Yeah, man, so that is the new single called Wonder from Intence. Please do check it out, guys. You see me? Yeah, man, and tell me if you like it, you see me? Because the dog do him thing, he might take him time. Fade every look at audience, you see me? Yeah, man, I hit, man. So next up, we're going to talk about Teejay and him wifey, you see me? So Teejay make the post and tag him girl, you see me? Pre-wag one.
People, so naman we live up, you know. Now worry about not, you know.
People, we live up, you know. So, no one on this.
I hit man peeps, so after Teejay make the post there, him girl sets and reply to the same post. You see me? And say, yo, come again, you and who? Meanwhile, Teejay on the other end sets and reply back. Easy man, babe. That guy, you see me? Yeah, man, so you know the style the dog I try to show them, say them alright. So no matter what people have to say end of the day, never go break them, you see me? We don't know that at all, but it must be, you know, if another media or some other people same way, cause you know people stay already out there, you see me? Him girl kinda look cool and things there, you see me? Yeah, man, where him seeing her, we enough for seeing her, cause fame girl, it's like,
those are the days that you have to, been through, and that's my brother, my friend. I'm happy for him because a lot of people see DJ Khaled. That kid never put on. He's real as the day is and real as the night comes. You know what I mean? It's jovial self that's always him, and he tells you how it is like it is. A person like that can get along forever because that's the way I am. You know what I mean? Him love music so much that I knew one day he would become a producer. When Khaled used to play the music in Fully Loaded used to look forward for Khaled coming to Jamaica. Because he used to play with the two turntables and scratch different. Him doing thing and his dub different. So Bounty Killer, Bojo, Sizzler, everybody will look forward for supporting him. And it's a good thing because now that he's made a mark for himself and a name for himself, he has never turned his back on us. If he's doing a project and he can't.
so the great Buju Banton and Fat Joe have a good conversation, but I go tell no lie, and I rate how Buju Banton is a straightforward and outspoken person, you see me? You know say reggae music powerful, the things that it do for Jamaica and the interaction and audience them way it make we get and think. Dancehall not really do that for it. But nah beat down dancehall we get there. But reggae music, reggae music, yo. Just pray reggae music has more of life for Jamaica with a positive flow, you see me? The energy, the things them with them talk. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah people, so big up Budgie again panda one the same way. You see me? Always keeping it jiggy. Is it? So at the end of the video this guys, please do like, comment, subscribe, share. You see me? Because we reach the 1,000 subs, so we're there.